Hey guys, my name is Divya. I am a doctor and I have been in a management role with a healthcare company for a while. I recently took the SHRM exam, mostly out of interest, and I had some bit of HR experience behind me, so I wanted to crack the exam. I've been doing a series of videos on my channel to help everybody out in the community get certified. If these videos are helping you, please subscribe to my channel. It would really keep me motivated and help me make more videos. Okay guys, so let's get right into the video. I've been receiving lots and lots of questions and comments for the simple fact that the winter session to take the SHRM exam ends on 15th February 2021. There are very few days left, and I think it's a stressful, hectic time for everybody out there in the community. So as I said, I've been receiving lots of comments and questions, and there are 4 major questions that I wanted to cover in this video today. It pretty much sums up the plethora of comments and queries that I've received, so I felt like these 4 questions would help everybody out. Okay, so question number 1. I am so tired, I really wonder if I can study again. How do I start studying again? So guys, if you're feeling tired towards the end after months of studying, just know that it's absolutely normal. It happens to everybody. I remember being exhausted because I had a full-time job and I was studying for the SHRM exam, and I really felt like I wouldn't make it till the end. So the only way to break the monotony is just to take a little bit of break. And the break can be an odd break. So on days that I didn't study at all, I thought of it as a break because I thought that, I'm working all day, but I'm not really studying. So it's a little bit of a different thing to do. And I had to counsel myself, because this is not a break like going on a skiing trip or going sightseeing and having fun. But I think it's worth it to tell your brain for some time to take an odd sort of a break. Give it a little bit of relaxation. But your brain is obviously a muscle, so it does feel tired from time to time, and that's perfectly normal. It just means that you've been using your brain all this time, you've been studying a lot, so hey, a little bit of a one-day break, a half-a-day break is totally fine. Just take that break and get right back into studying. So if you're so tired, skip a day, come right back, and believe me, you'll be able to do it. Question number 2. Divya, how do I get back into the rhythm of studying? Because I've totally lost the beat. So guys, this one was easy for me. Every time I felt like I couldn't concentrate or couldn't study, I just picked up a few questions and solved them. So these can be questions from quizzes. These can be questions from a book you're referring to, maybe the initial assessment or the post-test. If you're not timing yourself, then you can use those questions. And I think those questions, answering them diligently and not having memorized those questions and answering them diligently, will really help you out and put you back into the rhythm. Because when you solve questions, you wonder where you went wrong, or hey, I got this right. And either way, the feeling will make you go back to your notes. So try this out. I hope that it works for you, because it really did work for me. So question number 3. There is so much to review. What should I really study? Because there aren't that many days left. Okay, so for this one, guys, do a little bit of soul searching and a little bit of self-reflection. There are 6 competencies that the learning management system, or this exam, is divided into: leadership, business, interpersonal, organization, workplace, and people. Now, the first 3 competencies cover about 50% of the syllabus, or 50% of the exam, approximately, and the breakup is there on the SHRM website. And the last 3 that I mentioned cover about 50%. This gives you a very nice outline. It's a rough outline, but a nice outline. So if you've divided the syllabi already into 2 major parts or 2 major sections, now you can just look at where you need to review. I know there are a few days left. I know maybe you won't be able to get to everything, but think about it. How much have you reviewed a topic anywhere? If you've done enough of people, maybe you need to do interpersonal and leadership. If you've done enough of those, maybe it's organization. So thinking of the entire exam as 2 major parts, and then seeing where you've studied more and choosing one or a combination of the 2. Like maybe you need to do people and leadership, from the 2 different clusters. I think that would really help you out. Okay guys, question number 4. Divya, am I going to pass the exam? So guys, whenever you're running a marathon, the goal definitely is to get till the end and finish the marathon. So I'm giving this marathon analogy for the simple fact that I really think that it fits here. So a serious, intense certification like the SHRM means that you've been studying for a while, so you've been running the marathon for a while, and you definitely want to get till the end. You definitely want to go take the exam. And the only way to know whether you're going to pass is give it an attempt. Give it a decent attempt. Take the night before, take the entire day before the exam off, and believe me, it's going to help you out. Study till the last day, but the last day is for you just to recuperate from all that you've been through. Relax your brain muscle, go take the exam the next day, and just see how it goes. I think that a lot of people have surprised themselves with their good score on the SHRM exam. So once again, guys, I do hope that these videos are helping you. Thank you so much for watching.